Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with WarriorPlus affiliate commissions, full guide step by step clearly. Log in to your WarriorPlus account. Navigate to the account menu in the top right corner of the screen. Select withdrawal from the drop-down options. You will see your available balance listed. Click on the Request Withdrawal button. Choose the payment method you prefer for your withdrawal. Available options typically include PayPal and bank transfers. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure the amount does not exceed your available balance. Review the withdrawal policies to ensure you comply with any requirements. Confirm your withdrawal request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. Monitor your email for any updates related to your withdrawal. Check the estimated processing time for withdrawals from WarriorPlus. Wait for the assigned team to process your request. Once approved, the funds will be sent to your chosen payment method. Keep track of your transaction history in your WarriorPlus account. Contact WarriorPlus support if you encounter any issues during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.